Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word consequent. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The heavy rain caused flooding, and as a consequence, many roads were closed. Consequent means following as a result of something that happened earlier. In this case, the closed roads were a result of the heavy rain and flooding. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.